From Ptolemy scrolls in the candlelight glow to Aryabhata's numbers where the rivers flow. We measured the heavens, we drew the line, and found our place in the grand design. Look back, watch the desert skies with marble arcs and scholars' eyes. We turn the stars from night to day, through dust and wonder we find our way. Each mind a mirror, each age a spark. We turn the stars through the endless dark. Copernicus whispered, the world's not still. Galileo climbed the Tuscan hill. Kepler's numbers, Newton's fall, showed the motion that binds us all. Through reason's flame and courage cost, we learned the sky was never lost. We turn the stars, the old dreams fall. Each truth replaces what we recall. From apple to orbit, from Earth to Mars, we turn the stars, we turn the Levitt watched the heavens breathe. Payne read what the stars can see. Hubble saw galaxies drift apart, and Rubin heard the universe's heart. Through every age, through fear and fire, the quest remains, the same desire. To look, to learn, to understand the measure of sky, the measure of man. We turn the stars with wondering eyes. We trace the truth across the skies, from ancient hands to the minds afar. We've turned the stars, we are the stars. So light the flame when night begins. Each question ends where another begins. From Ptolemy's chart to Rubin's scar.